Now, there's two things I love more than anything, and they both start with P, privacy and protection. And with Smart Devil, we can get both of them for the screen of your phone. Now, if you're like me and you drop your phone a lot, or you drop your girlfriend's phone and she gets mad at you, you're gonna want one of these on your phone, or at least backups for when accidents do happen. Because on my screen, there's a bunch of hairline cracks in it. Ooh, but my girlfriend's, I dropped her phone, and let's just say there's a big one on there, and we gotta replace it. So I got the Smart Devil privacy and screen protector for the iPhone 15. Now, this isn't your basic screen protector. When you look at it straight on, you can see your screen, but if you tilt it 28 degrees, anyone to the side won't be able to look at it. Polarized in a way, so that it'll protect your privacy. On top of that, it helps you install it. Yes, the product helps you install it. They have this case that you put the screen protector in and then your phone in it as well, so that you get the quick installation and perfect protection on your phone. Let me show you how it works. If you scan the QR code on the car, you get an extra 2 years on your warranty for the screen protector. Make sure you remember to go ahead and activate that membership. These both come with cleaning wipes, dry wipes for screen cleaning, and a dust sticker. And then you have the actual screen protector right here. Check this out. This is what's going to be on your phone, and it looks pretty clear. I don't want to remove any of the adhesive stuff right now, but that's what's giving it a little bit of the darker appearance. Check this out. This is straight on towards the camera. Let's move it at a 28-degree angle. Can't really see much, can ya? Same thing with the other way. It's great for privacy. Privacy and protection is the theme here. They give you a complete installation guide. Also, there's a QR code on the back here that says it'll give you a 3-year warranty. Say less. You get a free replacement of the screen protector if it breaks within 1 year of purchase. The other 2 years seem to be for any failure of installation due to bubbles, dust, or other stuff. So let's go follow these to a T and put it on the girlfriend's iPhone 15 using this guy. Now I'm waiting for her to come home from work, so we're gonna use my phone as an example. Take the phone, take the case, and we're going to put it in here. Step 1 is going to be to open the film installation toolkit. Cool note, this kit actually comes with 2 glass screen protectors, one already in this case and then one outside of here. So when you're done applying it, I almost just dropped that. Go ahead and save the case in case you crack this one and need to reapply a second one. Look what I did to the girlfriend's phone. Wipe. Yes! No, straight, pull it straight. Very important you pull it straight.
There's a bubble.
Well, yeah, it's because you didn't pull it straight. Yo guys, do better than my girlfriend here and actually pull the tab straight. Once you do that, it's pretty much game over. Peel off the top case and then peel off that top flap. You are done, your screen protector's in. Push out any little bubbles that might appear as well. There won't be many. Ta-da! Wow, look at that cool Corvette in the background.
Beautiful.
Cool, right? It's a vibe.
Yes. Very nice.
I'm gonna get one of these for my Samsung Galaxy S23. They have these for so many different phones. And if you have an iPhone or whatever, go ahead and check out their TikTok shop product link. It'll be in the description below so that you can protect and privatize your phone just like we did.